Dubai boasts many things, but the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the most iconic landmark of Dubai, which stands tall at the crown of the city. Burj Khalifa in Dubai, ever since its inception, has been a marvel of architecture, boasting its stunning height and the mind-blowing grandeur that comes with it, making it one of the most stunning pieces of architecture the world has ever seen. Everyone knows that the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world, which is 828 meters high, making every other building look like a miniature one. The Burj Khalifa is a testament to the country's technology and invention while breaking all boundaries of human imagination. This stunning piece of architecture should be a must-visit on your Dubai tour, because there is nothing like it, and you would not want to miss out on that. Burj Khalifa in Dubai is not just a building, it is the most beautiful piece of architecture that has broken all records in terms of its height, being home to the highest observation deck, and having the highest restaurant in the world. History of Burj Khalifa in Dubai. The history of Dubai goes back to the time when Dubai was just a tiny fishing village. Over time, Dubai transformed into a global metropolis from a tiny fishing village, but even after being such a developed city, something was missing that could make Dubai the global icon, and that was Burj Khalifa in Dubai. The history of Burj Khalifa goes back to the time when the city was in need of an attraction that would surpass any other attraction in the world in terms of grandeur, height, innovation, luxury, and technology, making Dubai the benchmark tourist destination. The history of Burj Khalifa is an interesting one. The construction of Burj Khalifa in Dubai started in the year 2004, and was completed after 5 long years in 2009, however, its official opening was in 2010. Approximately 12,000 workers worked on the Burj Khalifa in Dubai project, day and night to make the stunning piece of architecture, making the history of Burj Khalifa a story for everyone to know. Before the existence of Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the Petronas Twin Towers in Malaysia were the tallest buildings in the world, with a height of 451.9 meters and 83 stories. However, in 2003 Taiwan's Taipei 101 took the title of the tallest building in the world, rising to the height of 508 meters. 1 year later, in 2004, the construction of Burj Khalifa in Dubai started, and the rest lies in the history of Burj Khalifa, and the marvel still stands still in all its stunning glory. People often wonder about the grandeur and luxury that this towering building offers. After all, you need entry tickets to enter the building, which by the way are not very cheap, but the view from the top floor is worth every penny spent. Height of Burj Khalifa in Dubai. When the construction of Burj Khalifa was going on, people had several questions about whether it was even possible to make a building that tall, and this was a concern when the height of Burj Khalifa in Dubai was only planned to be 518 meters tall, which is 10 meters taller than the Taipei Tower. However, during the time of its design process, the building grew to a whopping 310 meters, which is the height of the Eiffel Tower. So, can you imagine the height of Dubai Burj Khalifa, considering that only a small part of it is equal to the height of a popular iconic building in France? There were also concerns about whether the architecture would be able to withstand the high-pressure wind, because the higher the building, the more it is exposed to risks. However, the Dubai Burj Khalifa is designed to withstand seismic activities up to some extent due to its neo-futuristic style, with a Y-shaped cross that reduces the effect of the wind. There were almost 26,000 hand-cut glass panels used for the offices inside the Burj Khalifa. The stalks that are in the central spire of the building help in deflecting the winds to ensure the safety of the building. Currently, the height of Dubai Burj Khalifa is 828 meters, which means it is the tallest skyscraper in the world. The fascinating part about the Burj Khalifa is that it is 2 times higher than the Empire State Building, 3 times the height of the Eiffel Tower in France, and 15 times the height of Niagara Falls.